Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So if you have watched my previous video, you know that we are learning SQL. So before starting SQL, we also need to have a track or record of our step. So there is a command in SQL which we will need for that purpose to have our record, that is called spool. Spool is basically a command in SQL which is used to have a record of the SQL database which we have created in our. We can have one record. So for that you need to go to your run SQL. So search for run, and firstly we need to connect. So connect system, no space, divide sign, password, and enter. So it is connected, and now we could have our record by just typing a specific command. That is I can show you one demo of that command. That is spool file name dot create, replace, append, off, or add. Means these are the commands which we could add at the back end for creation. Replacement, append means we can rewrite in that file. Off means because we can on off the spool. So let's begin. Spool, any name of file. No, first we need to have our directory, that is in which we are going to save it. So spool, I'm going to save it in C drive location, Oracle hyphen. Then we need to have our that text file name. So I'm having raj dot txt. So the spool is created. Now we can check by just adding by writing spool. It will show it's spooling or not. So it is written currently spooling. I have one SQL query previously written, so I can check it that if it is working or not. So select star from student. Now I can off that spool. So spool off, spool has been off. Now again you can check that if the spool is working or not by just spool command. Not spooling currently, so we have now we can go and check whether the txt file has been created or not. So let's go to the location where we have created the file, Oracle exe, and here Raj. That txt file has been created. Now we can see what's written in it. We have just written one query, that is select star from student, and this output has come. Now we can similarly we can append this file by the command spool. Just write spool, the directory name where you are going to add that raj txt file, previous file, and at the end just need to add append, replace, or something keyword. I'm appending it. So append. Now we can check again by typing the command spool that if it is working or not. Currently spooling again. We can write one query that equals to 85. Let's see, Raj, Uddar, and Ritik. So here we got the 85, yes. And now again we can check that it is pulling or not. So let's go to that notepad. Directory again. Yes, the query has been added, so successful. Spool is basically the spool command in SQL is used to have a record of the SQL database in TXT file format. Basically we can have one copy of the query we have written in the server.